When I started out my journey to paint watercolor florals, I explored a lot of florals such as roses, peonies, wildflowers, anemones, tulips, coneflowers, just a lot of them. But for some reason, I did not attempt to paint hydrangeas for the longest time, and honestly, I was scared to paint them. Just a few weeks ago, I decided to sit down and decode this lovely bloom and painted my heart out, practicing this bunch till I felt satisfied and content. Hi, I'm Pooja. I'm a watercolor artist based out of North America. I'm an art influencer and educator, and some of you must be knowing me by the name By the Lakeside Art Studio on Instagram and YouTube. If you wish to read more about my art journey, please check my Skillshare profile, which also has a list of all the classes that I'm teaching. Welcome to my 10th Skillshare class. In this class, I'm going to paint a hydrangea bloom with you and walk you through every step of how I paint watercolor hydrangea in a loose, abstract yet simplified style. My aim in this class is to guide you to paint an impression of the hydrangea flower the way I perceive it. I want to take off the stress to paint this complex cluster of petals. As we jump into the process and start painting the bloom gradually, soon you will realize that you were able to achieve the results and make your own version of the hydrangea flower. Sound straightforward and doable? I know we got this. Let's jump into it and create something today.